guys, we're gonna see what's up here. I forgot my little leash. I swear it was in my pocket. Because I used the other one for a raider. It's the problem with a million pockets, right? So we're gonna see no no little leash. So I guess you're not getting a regular walk then. It's okay. Let her jackal. She's been jackholing around for a minute. She chased a squirrel. Let's see how we can do with getting distracted, right? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Ginger! Go, Gara! Ah, yeah, good. So let's get rid of this. Get it. Oh, good. Good, Gara. Get it. Get it. Good. Good. Get it, girl. Get it. So I went back to having her on the leash, the long line. I think it's been a couple weeks now. She did a couple runoffs, which she doesn't go nowhere. She stays in the yard. The yard. Ready? Drop it. Go around. Good. Middle. Yes. Ha ha ha. Good. I wonder if with her I could do my. I have one of those with just one handle. Good. Get it. Yeah. Good. Good. Ready? Drop it. Good. Go around. Hey. Ready? Touch. Good. Okay. I should probably just call this like positional work or something because I don't. Here you go. I don't really do it like a actual problem solve. I help out too much. Or maybe I should change my style, right? Get it. Do I have a ball? Ready to jump it? And heel. Right here. Heel. Right here. Come on. Hey. Right here. Heel. Hey. See, that's where she needs a correction. Good. Ready? Go around. And heel. Right here. Right here. Heel. Good. Go around. Good. Go pause. Good. Ah, see, I messed it up. Wrong marker. Ah. Ready? Jump it. On the side. Right here. On the side. Good. Go around. Look. Hey. 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 Yeah. There you go. Down. Good. Break. You're not used to that yet, are you? Crew will fly up for it. Hey, right here. Ready? Go around. Good. Touch. Nice. Good job. Okay. Let's do this one. Pause, and I'm going to put her on long line. She's starting to be over it already, right? And I don't have the little leash on her to make sure she doesn't run off. Ready? Down. Hey. 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 Guess she's going to run off. Down. No. Hey. Hey. Down. Down. This is just so she don't run off. I'm not dragging her. Hey. No. Down. Dude, the problem with this is her mom does it all the time. So, dude, no, down. I don't care that the ground's wet. Down. Do it. Go pause. Right. Pause. Yes. Right here. Right here. Oh, good. Good. Now she is doing better at home now. She got to be off and not tethered. Yeah, she's losing it. Let's do one more. So I got a ball. Let me get her a ball. Get it. Get it, girl. Oh, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. Get it, girl. Bored of the toy. That's what it is. How long is this? 6 minutes? That's not that bad. All right, let's do this. Ready? Ready? Look right here. Heel. Good. Good girl. Right here. Come on. Right here. Sit. Good. Go around. She's like, I'm over this shit. Good. All right. So since she's over, I'm gonna let her run a second. We're gonna long line her, put her up. Let's see what happens here. Get that. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. You're so good. You know what? I do have food. And I am holding her here. There's no pressure on her collar, but I am holding it. It's a martingale because I think she needs this. She's really pretty good. Just when they do like a runoff or two, like one every here and there, I kind of expect I can deal with. It's when they do like a couple days in a row or a couple times in a day, right? Like Waylon will do it, and like this morning Waylon did. He was blowing me off over there. I went and got him one time. From then on, he didn't mess around, right? So sometimes it happens. They'll kind of bull jive, and then you say, "No, dude, I mean business," and they're like, "Oh yeah, okay." Right? Does that make sense? You got to be an asshole about it, but they got to do what you say, right? Especially on a recall. Yeah, good girl. There we go. All right, let's call it a video for you. Excuse you, pig. Why you got to be such a pig, dude? 'Cause I'm a guy. That's what guys are supposed to do. They're supposed to be gross, nasty beings.